Alright, what is up people? So I'm currently here in France, in the city of my girlfriend, and I'll be trying snails for the very first time, so stay tuned and I hope I don't die.
Lisa, what are you doing?
What is that?
It's butter and garlic. This one.
Alright, so this is what we're going to be trying tonight. Let's see how it goes. Alright, welcome back everybody. So the meal has been prepared. I don't know if you can see that. So first impression, it smells really good. So could you tell me what's inside of this? So first of all, what kind of snail is this, by the way?
It's well, in French we call it like the escargot de Bourgogne. It's like burgundy snails.
Burgundy snails.
So that's
okay.
a like specific type of snail that is bigger than the usual. It's also prepared a specific way because there is butter and lots of garlic inside, and the snail is mashed.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not actually here in my hometown. We really don't eat it this way.
All right.
And that's not even the same type of snails that we eat here. But yeah, that's a good
start.
That's a good start because it's mixed with butter and garlic. So basically, it's not as gross as it looks.
Okay. All right. So some of you are wondering why I decided to take up this challenge is because first of all, coming from Africa, I don't know about other Zambian people. Whenever we hear the word snail, it's always related to waterborne disease. So from childhood, that's something we never imagined eating later. So, French culture, I heard that eating snails is a thing. And the fact that I'm here in France, I think it's important that I indulge myself in the local cuisine. So here we go. So how do I eat this? So
basically you pick one. Be careful, it might be really hot.
Okay, so can you see that?
Okay, pick one.
Can you see that? Wait.
And
Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can see that though. Can you see that? Alright, can you see that? Okay.
you pick the small fork.
There's a fork, you have to use a fork for it. Can you see that? Can you see that? There's a fork. Let's see it. Okay.
And you just grab the snail from the bottom.
It's inside.
Yeah, so you put the fork on the other side. The other side.
Like that?
Yeah, and
then I pull it out.
Yeah, put it out.
Oh wait, first of all, afterwards. Alright guys, there's a probability that I might fall sick. But it's my girlfriend's country's culture, so I have to indulge. So she said you have to pull it out so you can't really see it, but... And I just bite at once?
Yeah, I thought so.
Alright, so before we continue with the video, if you're loving this video so far, please smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing. And yeah, let's get back to the video.
You better throw it away. Don't force yourself to swallow because you're gonna be sick for sure.
Okay. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's good. But I mean, just the fact of eating a snail, you've probably seen a snail moving on the ground before. I mean, it doesn't really have a rubbery texture to it, so I think I can eat it. But yeah, at least I've tried it and I've pushed myself. So. Alright guys, so yep, if you come to France, you have to challenge yourself. So that's the end of the vlog. So I hope you like it. If you have any comments, please comment down below in the comment section. And thank you, Pauline. And let me know what I should challenge myself next. Is there some French I don't know, cuisine or strange food that I should try? Let me know. Alright, until next time. Peace, bye.